The zoo has lions and tigers. Zoo. The zoo has lions and tigers. Farm. The farm grows vegetables and fruits. Farm. The farm grows vegetables and fruits. Bakery. I order a special cake for a party at the bakery. Bakery. I order a special cake for a party at the bakery. House. I live in a small house. House. I live in a small house. Apartment. The apartment has a balcony with a nice view. Apartment. The apartment has a balcony with a nice view. Cinema. The movie starts at 7 p.m. Cinema. The movie starts at 7 p.m. Theater. I go to the theater to see a play. Theater. I go to the theater to see a play. Supermarket. I need to buy some fruits and vegetables. Supermarket. I need to buy some fruits and vegetables. Post office. I track my package using the post office website. Post office. I track my package using the post office website. Bank. I need my ID to open a bank account. Bank. I need my ID to open a bank account. Pharmacy. I go to the pharmacy to get medicine. Pharmacy. I go to the pharmacy to get medicine. Stadium. I go to the stadium to see a cricket match. Stadium. I go to the stadium to see a cricket match. Playground. I play with my friends at the playground. Playground. I play with my friends at the playground. Market. The market is crowded on weekends. Market. The market is crowded on weekends. Hotel. I check out of the hotel before noon. Hotel. I check out of the hotel before noon. Museum. The museum has many old things. Museum. The museum has many old things. Library. I borrow books from the library. Library. I borrow books from the library. Restaurant. I go to the restaurant for dinner. Restaurant. I go to the restaurant for dinner. Park. I like to run in the park. Park. I like to run in the park. Airport. I go to the airport to catch a flight. Airport. I go to the airport to catch a flight. Railway station. She waits for the train at the station. Railway station. She waits for the train at the station. Cafe. I drink coffee at the cafe. Cafe. I drink coffee at the cafe. Aquarium. The aquarium has many colorful fish. Aquarium. The aquarium has many colorful fish. Embassy. He went to the embassy for a visa. Embassy. He went to the embassy for a visa. Nursery. She goes to the nursery every morning. Nursery. She goes to the nursery every morning. Port. The ship is at the port. Port. The ship is at the port. Highway. We drove on the highway. Highway. We drove on the highway. Art gallery. The art gallery displays beautiful paintings. Art gallery. The art gallery displays beautiful paintings. Conference room. The meeting is in the conference room. Conference room. The meeting is in the conference room. Reception. I left a note at the reception. Reception. I left a note at the reception. Cafeteria. We ate lunch in the cafeteria. Cafeteria. We ate lunch in the cafeteria. Solar farm. The solar farm generates electricity from the sun. Solar farm. The solar farm generates electricity from the sun. Rooftop. I enjoy having dinner on the rooftop. Rooftop. I enjoy having dinner on the rooftop. Greenhouse. The greenhouse has many plants. Greenhouse. The greenhouse has many plants. Dockyard. The dockyard repairs ships. Dockyard. The dockyard repairs ships. Police station. The police station is open 24 hours. Police station. The police station is open 24 hours. Gym. I use treadmill for running. Gym. I use treadmill for running. University. I study at the university. University. I study at the university.